ramp the fans up as fast as they'll freaking go because we're trying to save our shit and we don't want it to blow up. And that's going to be right here where it says GPU, GPU, and GPU. And if that's what we're using to control our fans, you need to set the warning. Right here, the warning is set to 70 C. And I have it basically, two things are gonna happen. If our temperature on the graphics cards, and you have to set these individually, reach 70 C, a pop-up is gonna come up at the bottom of the screen and say, warning, GPU. What's up guys, Jay's2Cents here, and I'm gonna do a video.
Tech. This is a quick video on how to set up SpeedFan on your computer.
Ihan kun olisi kävellyt jonkun puolen kilometrin matkan silmät kiinni. Pitäis kirjoittaa oma nimi. Sä oot väärään suuntaan.